Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. So today I was eating some Oreos and I didn't know what to do with them because eating Oreos plain does not taste that good if you eat it for like a while. So we found an Oreo mug cake recipe. So let's just get on with the ingredients and I will also show you how to make the mug cake. So I'm just gonna finish this Oreo and get on with the ingredients, I guess. First, we have 3 tablespoons of milk. Milk just tastes the best with Oreo cookies. Then we have 4 tablespoons of flour. Then we have 1.5 tablespoons of oil. And then, of course, we have 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then we have 1.5 tablespoons of confectionery sugar. Then we have 2 Oreo cookies that is crushed. Well, this is not crushed, but yeah, we already have it. Baking powder, and we have 1/4 teaspoon of it. Let's get on with the steps. So, let's first start off with our dry ingredients. So that includes our flour. And also our confectionery sugar. And then last but not least, our baking powder. Just don't worry about the crushed Oreo cookies yet. And of course, we mix by using our fork. So now our mixing is done. Now let's just put in our rest of the ingredients except for the crushed Oreo cookies. So first we have milk, then we have oil, and lastly our vanilla essence. And then we just mix. So now our mixing is done. Now I'm gonna add all of this crushed Oreos. And also we have to mix this again. Now my mixing is done. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Let's get on with the step. Now this Oreo mug cake is done. Now I'm going to test with this toothpick. So it's going to go in, and if it comes out clear, then it should be good. It's clear, yay! So why not just cool it until we can decorate. Now my mug cake is cooled down. Now I'm going to put whipped cream on top of it. And I'm gonna put an Oreo right here. So my Oreo mug cake is done decorating. So now, if you like this video, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more. So, and also comment if you like this new Oreo recipe. Also, there's gonna be more Oreo recipes in the future. And also, I have a lot of mug recipes, like the chocolate mug cake. Yeah, I'm not gonna name all of them, but yeah, I'm gonna put them in the link in the description below. Also, they might be in the end like this. So, goodbye.